Happy New Year, happy 2022. We're at DAK, yay! So it's the first park day of the year. I'm so excited. Definitely gonna have to go on Everest because it's gonna close soon. Do you have anything that you want to go on? Definitely.
Flight of Passage if it isn't too long.
Yeah, for sure. I think I don't know if you want to go at the end of the day. I don't know.
Oh, dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
I'm wearing the shirt for it.
She is. Not a dino. We have to go on that. We'll see you later. Look how cute this drink is. Oh my god. And say hi.
Hi!
Where do you work? What's your name?
I'm Victoria.
Where do you work? Where do you make magic?
Animation in Mexico Flavors.
Ooh, nice. And then she got, I didn't get my food yet. Kira may be getting it right now, so we'll see. But we're at Flame Tree. And look at this view that we have. Oh my god, it's a gorgeous day. It's a little bit hot out, but it's gonna be a fun day. Drinks, oh my god. Everybody else got fancy drinks and I just got my water bottle. It's fine, but I get the mac and cheese. I'm so excited. I'm so good. We're a dinosaur. There we go. Can I help you?
No.
Yeah. Oh.
You'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Over.
Welcome to our little trend.
Like off coloring. I'll help you.
I don't know about the trading colors if they have any over there. You can try it. By the Tree of Life. Okay. You can check with them. Check with it. Okay. And then maybe Magic Kingdom has their own. Has their own. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Thank you. You're welcome.
Kira, this one? Oh wait, it's kind of weird. Never. Well, I don't know.
How's that one doing?
It's like that bad.
Oh, he looks okay. Okay, how's Theo looking?
I don't check that.
Cute. Feels pretty good.
So cute. I just got this magic band today. Oh, it smells so good. That's your hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
It smells really good. I love champagne toast. She's buying them.
I've been waiting to know everything else everywhere.
Look! People from Kite Tales. Rafiki and Simone. That's awesome. Oh, there's people over here. Oh. What is the bag they're holding, huh?
He waved to us.
I think it's probably.
Yes, kites.
Where they're coming, they're coming. Here we come.
Welcome dance moves! Woo!
They just want to go home now.
I mean, they're on the way. They're about to.
Look at them go. Woo!
Anyways.
What magic?
What magic? This, I'm so excited. It looks so good.
Snowflakes are new.
I know. Probably. Well, I think that looks kind of better than the other than the picture.
I do too.
Cute. Oh my god.
Glitter?
I know.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. There's the seas. Ah, so cute. Here we go. See, look at the camera. Here we go. Here we go. It's fine. We're not gonna get splashed over here yet. Not yet. See, look how calm.
Soon.
Soon. not wet yet. We're doing great. See, there's nothing.
This is my favorite. The view coming up is my favorite view in all of it.
Right? Here we go.
Better than Everest? Because it's a view of Everest.
That makes sense.
It's a pretty view of Everest. That's why it's my favorite.
Here we go.
Like right when we finish this view. It's so pretty. I'll let her
First
turn
thing
now.
that is.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh.
Look at her.
She's so pretty.
Look at her.
Her.
Look at her.
Her.
I like trying to wave at the camera.
Oh. There's stuff. Hi. Oh.
Oh my god.
See the other car?
Oh wait, not us being in the back. Oh Jesus.
You jinxed it. See y'all on the flip side.
Oh my god.
No, it's gonna rotate more when we go down. Nick, you jinxed it. I'm sorry.
Real fun being dry with you.
Oh my god. I hate it here. I want to go home.
Oh my god. No, I'm good. No.
Here, come here. I got you. I'll protect you, my son. I'm cold. And you're the one that said, I want to come backwards.
It's fine. It's fine. We're just freezing now.
Oh, God.
It's
Nick,
fine.
you're literally
I'm cold. I'm cold. It's fine.
Oh, no, and now you're sulfur when they shoot the
Oh my god. I'm eyes open right now. We gotta wait.
Please don't.
Let's see. Okay.
No, you need to see yourself.
Wait, can you hold it?
Yeah, look at your back.
Do a spin.
Do a spin for us. You look great, sweetie.
I'm great.
What we've learned today is be careful what you ask for.
Oh, yeah.
Not ask to go backwards during
Oh, yeah.
the rapids. The universe is always listening.
Look at an entire wet bag. Entirely wet.
I'm wet.
Anyways, how you doing?
You know, I'm doing okay. Not
It
too
looks.
bad.
It doesn't look too
I
bad.
got this. How are you doing?
No.
You look good.
Next question.
Really?
I mean, your back got pretty wet too, though. Nick, do you want your camera on?
Okay, right?
Your hair has like water in it.
Yeah.
There's a drop of water on the lens. I don't know if you want to get that. Anyways, this is now my vlog channel. Welcome.
What would you
This
call it?
all looks trash. I don't know. Come up with a name. I'll give you money.
Camilla.
Do I have money? Maybe.
Meditate and celebrate.
Oh, it's so warm right now.
Yeah, literally.
We
The
have some
warm.
Disney World sweatshirts, Nick. You can get
Wow. No, don't do it. My best friend's ex, toxic ex, bought that.
Oh, I have one. That's a home though.
So, she's the toxic ex.
No.
So was it worth
I'm flipping this around now. It's me. my turn.
No regrets.
No regrets. It's my turn now. No.
It's a tie-dye shirt. You can literally see the half.
Oh my god.
You can see the what?
The half, like half wet,
Yeah.
half dry.
Oh, you got a dry spot. Good. You're not 100% wet. You're doing great. I think this is the award-winning angle that is gonna get all the men.
Yes.
I look like an egg. Welcome to my channel. I am an egg. Now it's Nick.
Camilla's crazy thing.
Camilla the egg. Okay.
Look at this.
Oh,
You want to
so
show
pretty. Sure, I am showing. My future self.
You're gonna be watching this from Arizona.
Yes, I will, and I'll be sobbing my eyes out.
You can just like not leave, guys.
My lungs are calling.
Is someone recording? Oh.
Wow. Go ahead. Why is there so many people here? The lighting's nice. You having fun there? Are you having fun there?
So, are those workout shorts?
They are.
Okay, yeah, you're okay.
Progress.
We're like, alright, great, we're getting in the car.
Great. Flamingo, here I come. I'm just holding this. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know.
Is still recording? Oh yeah, it's been recording for 3.5 minutes.
Oh, there you go.
I don't know how to use your
Say
camera. Bye.
Bye. There we go. It looks like he's squatting. Oh! Zazu, look at Zazu. What? Yeah. You didn't try? Okay. Here we go.
In mid-September. Okay. Not mid-September, early September.
We're waiting for the Tree of Life
because,
awakening.
like,
Place on Earth. It's here. Huh? We're at the lights again. It's a race back to Everest because Everest just went back up. They said it's 110 minutes. I doubt it will be 110 minutes tonight. It does not make sense. So we shall see what it's gonna be. Let's find out. Cordelia, not Camilla. Is that true? Was the climb pure joy?
Yes. I do it every day, baby. Every day, baby.
Hi.
Hi,
Are you ready? Yeah. Here we go. We're on it. It only took like half an hour, right?
Yeah, I think it's yeah, 30 minutes.
That's not bad. Not 110. Oh, it's there. Maybe I won't vlog this. Bye! Look at this! Ooh. You guys missed it. There is a coordinator saying like a singing a mask song.
Oh, it was good.
Yeah. Like Camilla had to use the restroom and she hasn't been in line with us for like a good half an hour, 45 minutes. So here she is. By herself. Standing here this whole time. That's so funny. She's just standing there. We're not your family. Do not come here.
It's an hour. Oh, that wasn't bad.
It's been 1 hour.
Can't leave the box. Oh no.
You cannot come with us.
You can't sit with us.
Bye.